Have you ever considered how mining cryptocurrencies affects the environment? The demand for energy to run the mining process has increased dramatically with the popularity of Bitcoin and other virtual currencies. But where does all this energy come from, and what effect is it having on the planet? In this video, we'll examine the detrimental effects that cryptocurrency mining has on the environment and discuss possible solutions. Continue watching to the end to learn about the top 10 countries based on crypto adoption. So, let's get started. As cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum gain popularity, so does the demand for the energy required to mine them. Mining cryptocurrency entails solving complex mathematical equations in order to verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. While this process contributes to the security of the cryptocurrency network, it also consumes a significant amount of energy. According to a University of Cambridge study, the energy consumption of the Bitcoin network alone in the United States is estimated to be around 36 terawatt-hours per year, while it is estimated to be around 121 terawatt-hours per year globally, or the equivalent of the entire country of Argentina, with a population of over 44 million people. Ethereum, on the other hand, is estimated to use 62 terawatt-hours of electricity per year globally. Another University of Cambridge study shows that the majority of Bitcoin mining occurs in the United States, China, and Kazakhstan. Approximately 38% of mining occurs in the United States, 21% in China, and 13% in Kazakhstan, resulting in a rough total of 72% of global Bitcoin mining divided into just these three countries. But where is all of this energy coming from? Unfortunately, a big percentage of it comes from carbon-emitting fossil fuels such as coal and natural gas. According to one estimate, the carbon footprint of Bitcoin mining is similar to the annual emissions of 1.5 million cars, which contribute to climate change and have a detrimental environmental impact. In the United States, the industry was responsible for approximately 27.4 million tons of CO2 emissions in the previous year, or 3 times the amount generated by the country's largest coal plant in 2021. Mining's energy consumption is not the only issue. The mining hardware also has an environmental impact. The manufacture of specialized computers and graphics cards necessitates the use of energy and materials, and when they are no longer required, they frequently wind up in landfills where they can disintegrate over hundreds of years. Each year, it is projected that the creation and disposal of cryptocurrency mining hardware generate more than 2 million tons of e-waste. The environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining, however, does not stop there. The mining process's energy usage generates a substantial quantity of heat, which can be a big issue in places with already high ambient temperatures. Where there are numerous large-scale mining operations, the heat created by the mining process has raised concerns about local temperature increases and the potential for severe repercussions on surrounding ecosystems. While cryptocurrency has the potential to change the way we think about money and banking, it also comes with a major environmental cost. As the demand for Bitcoin grows, it is critical that we evaluate the environmental impact of mining and investigate more sustainable options, such as using renewable energy sources or more efficient mining technology. Based on a poll of 2,000 to 24,000 individuals from 56 countries, below are the top 10 ranking countries leading crypto adoption. First, we have Nigeria, where an estimated 42% of the population is using cryptocurrency. Thailand is in second place at around 31%. The next 3 slots are occupied by nations with fairly comparable percentages of crypto adoption. The Philippines, 28%, Vietnam, 27%, and Turkey, 25%. Argentina and South Africa are ranked 6th and 7th, respectively, with the same adoption rate of 21%. Switzerland, Kenya, and Malaysia fill the final 3 slots, despite having the same rate of adoption of 16%. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. For more educational content, be sure to check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.